Oh, I have some clay from the river. I suspect there is some kind of microscopic gold or something, so I don't even crush. I put like this. It's clay. Okay, so you see, breakable. And I adding potassium nitrate right now, like a almost spoon potassium nitrate, and then I add hydrochloric acid and I put on the heat. Okay, let him boil. Okay, we'll see what we get it. Okay, so let's mix it. Right now everything became dirty. We'll see what we get it. You see, it's right away dissolves. All those clay pieces became soft, so you don't need to crush it, don't need to pan it, nothing. I want to experiment what I get straight, and maybe I add a little bit more hydrochloric acid, a little bit more. Let him have fun. Okay, so now we be boiling, and I be using electrolysis again to recover some gold. So in here is my little pieces of gold from river sand and from everywhere. I dissolving. It's not clean. It's have some kind of stuff. I don't know. And in this one glass I have gold, which one contains in this clay. And I decided to put all the pieces clay inside and then dissolve everything without any washing and everything, and let's see what we can recover from this clay. Okay, this is sand, looks like sand, but it's glued with the clay, and it contains the gold. I don't know how much, but the gold really small and microscopic. So I decided to do experiment, dissolve everything and use electricity, precipitate everything. Do we get anything from this clay? This is be reference, like to see what we can get, where it's a little amount of gold too, but it's different. It's collected from everywhere. This is mixed gold from everywhere. So let's see how everything works. Stop boiling. Gold already filtrating. Here is just some little amount of gold, but more interesting for me is the clay. See how red color some kind of. So do we have something? Stannous chloride giving me brown color. So that means not just the gold there, like palladium, maybe platinum, who knows what kind of stuff. And here there was gold, still not dissolved, so I add little bit more hydrochloric acid and try to dissolve, and after I put everything in one. So we'll see. Let's do maybe Stannous chloride test. Do some test and see what kind of results we have. Here is a clay, and here some gold. Let's say take this one. Okay, this is gold. Okay, and let's put Stannous chloride. Okay, this is in the clay, some kind of gold, and here real gold. You see difference. Here I got the brown color, like little purples. Okay, here dark spot, so that means it contains the gold. Okay. Now it's disappear. So I don't know what this stuff is here, but it's like a little purple. We'll see. When I putting in the back everything, reaction. So I don't know, do we get gold from here or not? We'll see. And this one still boiling. So I mean still have some gold. I need to dissolve it completely. Okay, we'll see. This solution have very interesting color, red color, some kind of. So I decided to do one more time Stannous chloride test and do some urea to neutralize nitric. Okay, let him work. A little bit mixing. And now let's add some Stannous chloride. Look, it's nothing changes. So means everything became clear. It says no gold, but very little tint of purple. So let's see what we get from this solution. And gold is not dissolving, it's so slow, like heating already 1 hour. It's still bubbling. So let him stay there. So as you see, very little tint. Is some kind of stuff there. So we'll see. And when I putting all that back in the solution, look what's happened. It's like right away dissolving everything. And no, we'll see. So filtration is over. I got 2 solutions, one with gold, yellow, and one who knows what is there. There is little gold. I know that definitely because I already did it many times, that thing. So right now what I be putting is some urea to see do we have still nitric. Okay, looks like we don't have nitric. Okay, now we need to make them to dissolve. And then we'll be doing electrolysis. And we will see how they work. Okay, and this is the cheapest way to recover the gold actually. And everybody can do it. It's because don't cost a lot of money. You don't need any chemicals, just electricity, power block, some kind of you buy on internet, and you can do this thing. So let me start to precipitate the gold. I'll be using some kind of iron, piece of iron, and another electrode I'll be using some kind of titanium I'm using for mixing. It's very good. It's not reacting with aqua regia and it's strong and not breaks like glass. So let's do it. I turn it on, set the 5 volts, and anode plus I connected on the iron, and minus I connected on titanium. And let's see what's happening now. Okay, I know that there is gold. So we keep it for a while till we see gold precipitating. Okay, and slowly solution started changing the color. Okay, so we'll see how long that takes. Okay, solution looks like it's changing color. It's getting brown. That means gold precipitating. Okay, see, everything became brown. So iron going to solution and precipitate gold. Okay, gold comes out in brown powder. Okay, as you see on the top, when you're looking, you see the brown color. Okay, brown color. So means it's everything okay. This is, we have a gold precipitating. Everybody can do it. This is so simple, and no need anything, any another chemicals, not even Stannous chloride. You just use for testing. Precipitating is what this is the best so far. I just never showed because I was doing a lot of testing. For testing, I use always Stannous chloride. So let's keep it this 5 volts for another like few minutes. I'm getting like 6 amps, 5 amps, and 2 volts. 2 volts, 5 amps. So good. Just you need to have some kind of power block. It's a little bit too shiny, but I can even show you. But right now it's 2 volts and 5 amps power, and solution became brown. Okay, so means all gold precipitating. So another 5 minutes and there'll be no more gold in solution. So let him work for a while. Looks like over. It's getting warmer, so I'm transferring everything to second beaker. Okay, the same voltage. Oh, I have something on this stick too, so need to clean it. Okay, this is precipitated gold, but right now I clean it and I transferring everything to this one beaker, which one contains some kind of metals, but really I don't know what is there. And I transferring all this stuff to this beaker, and everything starts. And here, if it's gold, it's very little. So let's see how everything works. So the same, 2 volts, 5 amps. The same voltage and the same amperage. And we'll see what we get. So this is very strong, something, a lot of different kind of metals, but what kind of metals, I don't know. Maybe just iron or something. So if iron, then it's not precipitates, and if it's precious metals, they precipitate. So everything else is not precipitate, because there we have hydrochloric acid, which one dissolves those metals again back. If there is gold or platinum metals, they maybe comes out without dissolving. So far I don't see color change. That is no good. That means no gold in solution. Oh, it's very little. I don't even see it. So keep it for like 10 minutes and we'll see what's happening. Okay, now this solution is like brown, and the bottom maybe in few minutes and hours. Need to hold it and wait, and gold be on the bottom. So far I don't see no changes. Solution just become blurry, but I don't see nothing coming out from solution. So of course this is very little amount of clay I dissolve it, but that clay I guarantee have a lot of different metals. It passed like 5 minutes. Let's see, do we have something on this cathode? It's little something black, very little. So there we have very little amount of precious metals, but not a lot. So let him work another 10 minutes and then we will see what's happened. Voltage is 5 volts, to jest 1.8 volts and 5.1 amps. So everything okay. Let him work. Turn off power and now just waiting game till all those microscopic particles comes on the bottom. Here solution get dark too, but I don't know, and the bottom is something or not, we will see maybe in 2-3 hours. Okay, now I leave it those, let him settle down. It passed like 1 hour more, maybe 1.5 hour, all gold settled down and solution getting clear, but still have yellow but no gold swimming. So right now I decanting the solution. Okay, decanting, and there's still some kind of brown stuff, and the bottom you see brown gold. Okay, and this is our gold. Still need to wait till it settles down, so I transfer it to the beaker. Water, wash it, fill it up. And this is our gold, which one goes down after few hours be settled down. And another solution, we do the same thing. Okay, we decanted the solution. It's not clear, but on the bottom we have some gold too. So let's transfer the solution in here, and I add water. Waste a little bit. So water a little bit makes clear. So let's mix it. And let them settle down. Here brown too now. Okay, and this solution full of iron is useless. We don't need it, nothing. So I'm putting in here, and later on I add aluminum and we'll see what kind of stuff we get it. So now I need to wait for another. Okay, what we got? See on the bottom is our little gold. I expected the same amount, so I got it. And here I have something, but I don't see. Need to put water to dilute that solution, because all gold is in the bottom, a solution full of iron, so I can even see nothing. So now you see on the bottom there is a gold. Can't see nothing. Let me put the water. Okay, now when settles down on the bottom, we'll see the gold. See, this gold is swimming, all those. So you see how little gold was in that clay? Almost nothing. Almost nothing. Gee, focus, what is this? Oh, but little bit. He's swimming, so let him settle down. Okay, and here we knew it that there is a gold, so that much is there. Oh, so is gold expensive? Is the reason why it's so expensive. So, like you see, it's not easy to get it. I'm finished. That gold settled down. Look how much. That is our gold from little piece of clay. Okay, so it's still not enough for me. I'll be working and collecting this gold, and when I have enough, I'll be smelting everything. So next video I'll be working on this rock. Everything be dissolved, and I use electricity to recover what is there. Here mostly invisible gold, so it's be very little, but gold is expensive now, so we can play it. And this is the recovery video, how much I can recover from this kind of big piece of rock. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.